What do you reckon to this, everybody? If they give gifts, but it's not even Christmas. Look at that. Look at his little face in it. Welcome back to our week on the farm. Anyway, first job this week, I'm starting off with these oil pipes on this tractor. So we'll use it in two-wheel drive. We won't worry about four because it's not needing it as such. And I've looped it back onto itself so it just didn't dump all the gearbox oil or the high-tran oil. From the oil on it wasn't particularly wonderful. It's got some flat spots and it's got wire poking out of it just here, which is nice. So I'm going to put two new ones on. A lot of these case, I don't know if the new ones do or not, but they've got an O-ring in the fitting. So if you get a leak, there's no point tightening it up because it won't stop it. You just simply change the O-ring. But they're a bit of a special size. And nothing in my O-ring kit fits that. So, best to have some in stock. Well, this is interesting. So Will has spiral wrapped the new pipes. Just under there finishing off.
Middle one.
That's your beaver tail bit. That's what lifts this bit up here. And then the other lever flips them out.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, the right hand side one. Try go the other way. I'm not convinced the pipe's the right way round. Then as you go down, it'll sort of dangle again. Touchdown. Oil will always go to the easiest route, hence why I always does one side first. And then when you're down, just snap all three levers right down into float. You'll feel, yeah, you'll feel them click. As in, they've got like a notch. And then as the thing flexes back, when you put weight on it, it doesn't tear metal off. Come and look at this bad boy. Get down here, look. There's some beautiful bird song tonight. Look at that. Wowzers, it's a piece of work. I don't know if it's edible. I've lost my mushroom book. What is it?
Monster Mango Loco.
What's that?
A drink. If I ever go to Spoons, I drink that.
That?
It's an energy drink.
It's a jazzy tin.
Yeah.
What is it about Monster drink, which means it has to be disposed of on the roadside? So these potatoes are getting a little bit shitty. I want them to spend another £6 something a tonne this end of the season to gas them and prevent the chits. Kind of wrong but right, if you know what I mean. Let's have a look. So while they're all really delicate and soft, they're still firm potatoes. I'm going to run them over here and let the coils just jiggle a few off. I'll show you. They're coming out fairly good, and it saves us having to mechanically, using our hands, take them off anyway. These are the chits. They look a bit like bean sprouts from your local Chinese. Some old dry rock coming through now. Let's go and see what's happening. So they're all back in the store. One is saved again. Well, wasn't that many, only about 25 boxes. But yeah, looking alright now. Not too bad for this time of year. It's getting on now. now we're putting all the stock feed over. It wouldn't well, these mids, these are 50 mil down, they wouldn't normally go for stock feed. However, stock feed is worth nothing. So we're just grading all the small plots out so we can leave the farm. I don't think cows want to eat that, so we're taking it out. We give gifts. It's not even Christmas. That. Can you see your face in it? So that'll work.
Oh my god. I can see.
Well, I'm so excited. It's rare we get a telly at a table in one day. Wowza. Oh, they could have brought the lead. So with the Great Wall of VHM box tippler removed, we're using the little blue one. Now this is a really basic machine, quite handy. It's our sort of get you out of jail card. Although this week, let me show you, it wobbled. It wobbled on these feet and just nipped its own wire. And it shorted the wrong bits anyway. Which was handy because it blew, first it blew this bit, secondly it blew the, 400 to 500 to 24 volt converter soon of thereafter, and the forward and reverse trips, because they're in there as well. So for a simple machine, it's a bit of a pain in the... Anyway, luckily on hand we had the tippler we fill the plant up with, and we can extend it on here to do little boxes and big boxes, because the seed boxes are 1.2 tonne and the boxes with wear in are 1.5 tonne, and we put all the mids in 1 tonne boxes. So luckily we can alter this to suit, which has really been a boon. I didn't expect to use that feature. So we've been filling the little tongue hopper with that. But the only trouble with this, it's such a great brute in our little pack house. Luckily we can call upon Staytech and they come and put all that right. Percy? Come.